how to boost FPS in Brawl Stars on PC. In this video, I'm going to explain how to get smoother gameplay using emulators and system settings. Since Brawl Stars doesn't have a native PC version, you'll be using emulators like BlueStacks or LD Player. First, make sure you're using the latest version of your emulator. In BlueStacks, open Settings, and then Performance and set CPU allocation. This is the performance, by the way. Set the CPU allocation to high 4 cores and memory to 4 GB if your PC allows. Set performance mode to high performance and make sure frame rate is set to 60. Make sure also that your graphics engine mode is in compatibility mode. Now enable high frame rate mode and disable VSync if available. Next, go into display settings and lower resolution to 1280 by 720 to reduce graphics load. Now on your PC, open graphics settings, hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, and enable it. Also, set your emulator to run on high performance under graphics preferences. Update your graphics drivers regularly. Outdated drivers are a common cause of FPS drops. Finally, close background apps, especially browsers and screen recorders. These eat up RAM and GPU. And that's how you boost FPS in Brawl Stars on PC.